Hi everyone, it's Adam here again with another 2-minute wellness tip. Today, weights, shoulders, okay? Shoulder press. Simple exercise that you can do if you have some weights lying around in your basement and you've got nothing to do because you're quarantined by the coronavirus issues that we're currently having. So this is a great exercise to be able to do, and there's another version of this without weights that I have on my channel. So you subscribe to my channel and you will see me doing down dog push-ups there. What I'm gonna do is take my dumbbells, put them on my thighs, rest them on my thighs. I want to be square onto the bench. I don't actually need to have a bench. I could just be sitting on a chair that will support my weight here. I don't need to necessarily have my back against the bench if you don't have a weight bench. Here I am. What I'm going to do is bounce my legs up, and that's going to get the weights up into place. So my toes are pushed down. I'm going to bounce one up, bounce the other up, open my elbows to the side. Okay, make sure my back is comfortably against there if I have the bench, and then press up and touch overhead. As I come down, I don't need my elbows to come lower than my shoulders. Press up overhead, touch the weights together, and slowly down. Pressing up, touching together, and slowly down. I'm going to try to keep my ribs against there and not collapse my lower back, right? So ribs stay against the bench, touch them down. When I'm finished, elbows come in, weights come down on my thighs, and I can stand up, or I can put them down from there if I want. When I do put these weights down, I want to step wide and squat them down, not bend over and injure my lower back, okay? So there you have a shoulder press, simple exercise that you can do. We've done chest press, I've done a back row, now the shoulder press, okay? And then we'll go to the back again in the next video. Enjoy.